Joseph Muscat ma messux ġab ruħu kif ġab u ma jistax jippretendi li jista' jikkontrolla lill-midja dwar kif tagħmel xogħla. Darb'oħra messu ġab ruħu b'mod differenti. Kieku ma rridx ġurnalisti jistaqsu l-mistoqsijiet lill-mara tal-Ministru, allura messu ta' struzzjonijiet biex Sajmizzi ma tilabiex tal-hard to get. Kien dan il-messaġġ tal-editorjal tal-ġurnal Times of Malta li tkellem dwar il-mod kif Joseph Muscat ġab ruħu fil-konfront tal-ġurnalista Net News li dakinhar li tħabbar il-ftehim mal-kumpanija Ċiniża Huawei kien staqsa mistoqsijiet dwar Sajmizzi, attitudni li ġiet deskritta minn The Times bħala arroganti.
I do believe, for one, that is not the main plus of all this.
It is important because we're forging out money, 13,000 a month for the job Mrs. Smith is conducting in Shanghai.
I think you are I'll do. I think that is a very.
All is down to money.
I think that is honestly something that you can do when we are in a political meeting, and that's something that I am willing to answer those sort of questions. I think that is not the way to behave in front of our foreign guests. But I'm
just asking a simple question.
Yes, it looked like a stupid question to our guests.
Okay, thanks. Thank you very much for insulting the journalists.
L-editorjal intitolat When an Envoy Plays Hard to Get u b'referenza diretta għal fatt li ovvju li l-ġurnalisti kienu se jistaqsu l-mistoqsijiet wara li l-mara tal-Ministru Konrad Mizzi ma deret imkien fil-waqt li qed titħallas 13,000 euro fix-xahar. Iżda l-Muscat il-mistoqsijiet tal-ġurnalisti huma stupidi.
I'm just asking a simple question.
Yes, it looked like a stupid question to our guests.
Dakinhar Muscat saħansitra ma ħallix lil Sajmizzi twieġeb il-mistoqsijiet u beda jinterrompi u jwaqqafha milli twieġeb.
I think you are I'll do. No, I'm not insulting the journalists. I'm saying no, I don't think we should answer that, and we.
L-editorjal jgħid li l-midja rridu jistaqsu biex tkun tista' tiġġudika fuq dak li wettqet Sajmizzi, kif fil-fatt qalet istess li l-midja għandha tagħmel.
You judge me when I deliver the result, like now, because there's a Chinese saying, it's not important what do you say, but it's important what do you do. Judge on my result. Don't judge on the people, he said what, she said what, the other people said what. It's judge on me, what I do for you.
L-editorjal tem jgħid li bl-istess mod kif hemm proverbju biċ-Ċiniż hemm ukoll wieħed bl-Ingliż li jgħid The proof of the pudding is in the eating u li Joseph Muscat donnu jaħseb li l-pakkeġġjar u biżżejjed.